Ballers! Today we're going to be opening a box up of 2021 Topps Heritage Baseball. Let's take a look. Okay, so 2021 Topps Heritage Baseball. This box says it's got 35 cards per box. Packs with a special insert may contain only 31 to 34 cards. Also, you can look for real one autographs and relics. So that's the box. I believe these are the hanger boxes. All right, let's take a look. All right, there's the inside. Nothing else. That's our pack of cards. Okay, so these are the cards. This is Justin Verlander in action. That's the card. And that's the back. 2020 All-Star Leaders. Mike Yastrzemski in action. Kaneda Mita. 2020 NL postseasons. Danny Duffy. Max Scherzer. Trey Turner. Brandon Lowe in action. Joey Bart. Bo Bichette. Mike Trout. Alec Mills. Jesus Sanchez. Colton Wong. Yadier Molina. Matt Champlin. Jose Barrios. Then and Now, Joe Morgan and Bryce Harper. Gio Gonzalez. 2021 Rookie Stars, Alec Bowen and Spencer Howard. Gregory Polanco. Robbie Grossman. Ender Inarcarti, probably pronouncing that one wrong. Garrett Cole. Randy Dobnak. Joey Wendell. Lucas Golito. John Birdie. We got Ryan McBroom. Framber Valdez. Try to go a little quicker here for you guys. Chad Kuhl. Jeff McNeil. Brian Anderson. And Ronald Guzman. So it looks like We got maybe 1 or 2 rookies in here, bunch of base cards. Again, this is the 2021 Topps Heritage Baseball. We have these boxes for sale at our website at hockeycardworld.com. Also, all these cards that we just pulled, these will also be available on our website. Thank you for watching. Keep well and keep safe.